So the dot point I'm doing is discuss the issues associated with shrinking world resources with regard to one, identify a natural product that is not a fossil fuel, identifying the replacement materials used and or current research in place to find a replacement for the named material. So the one I'm doing is natural rubber. So up until the 1940s, all rubber was sourced from plantations of rubber trees in tropical areas such as Malaya and Burma. These trees would be tapped, that is, an incision made into the bark of the tree, and the latex sap collected and refined into a usable rubber. So, however, demand for natural rubber increased greatly during World War II, mainly for military vehicles, and supply routes were interrupted by the conflict. As the natural resources could not cope with the large demand, a synthetic rubber was developed. Okay, so in general, the replacement of a natural product with a synthetic one stems from one or more of the following issues, which is increased demand for natural products, even if only temporarily, inability of natural resources or natural sources to keep up with the demand, depletion of limited natural resources, competition of natural resources for other uses, escalating prices of natural resources, cheaper and more available synthetic products, greater reliability, consistency of supply of this synthetic product. Okay, so synthetic rubber. For the war effort, scientists in Germany and USA developed synthetic rubbers, the most common of which is styrene butadiene. Even after the war, natural rubber could not keep up with the demand, and hence today 80% of rubber production is synthetic. Other synthetic rubbers include polyisoprene and polyisobutylene. And then the HSC question is, describe the issues associated with shrinking world supplies of this natural product and evaluate the progress being made to solve the problems identified. Basically, this is just the dot point reworded into a question. So you just have to name the issues first, and then talk about how they've been prevented or the progress is made to solve the problem. So for synthetic rubber, you just talk about how the natural source of it was being depleted due to the increased demand, and then talk about how they developed the synthetic rubber to solve the problem.
Okay.